Welcome to the instructions video for the Manufacturing Cost Overhead Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you allocate indirect manufacturing costs to your products, giving you accurate insights into true production costs for better pricing and profitability decisions. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. Start by inputting your total overhead costs, which includes expenses like facility rent, utilities, equipment depreciation, and administrative costs. Next, enter your allocation base, such as total direct labor hours, machine hours, or production units. You can also input the specific hours or units for individual products to see how overhead is distributed. For example, enter $50,000 for total overhead and 2,500 labor hours as your allocation base. The calculator will then show you the overhead rate per hour and help you understand how much overhead should be assigned to each product or job based on its resource consumption. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to help with all your engineering and manufacturing calculations.